In the heart of the jungle, the cruel lion's roar shatters the peace, scattering animals in sheer terror. With relentless pursuit, the cruel lion overtakes its prey as the zebra's desperate flight ends in a brutal capture. Under the lion's absolute reign of terror, the jungle witnesses a scene of primal fear and despair. In the heart of the jungle, a profound hush descends as the animals gather, their faces etched with worry and a silent plea for salvation. The old elephant solemnly declares a desperate pact. I propose a deal to the lion. One of us will volunteer as his meal each day, preventing unnecessary hunting. The animals exchange uneasy glances, the weight of the proposition heavy in the humid air, as they reluctantly nod in agreement, a pact born of desperation. Under the scorching sun, a lion basks in indolent splendor, its mighty paws outstretched, a sinister grin hinting at the brutal pact he's forged. Each day dawns with a grim procession as a new animal approaches the cave, their eyes reflecting a haunting blend of despair and surrender. A palpable tension smothers the animal community, a suffocating shroud of fear and resignation blanketing their once vibrant lives. Under the dense canopy of the jungle path, Rabbit's contemplative steps signal a shift in strategy as his eyes gleam with an audacious idea. Breaking from the expected path, Rabbit pauses, a mischievous glint in his eyes hinting at an unforeseen twist. In the heart of the jungle, the lion's fury ignites as he paces before his lair, each step a thunderous echo of dominance challenged. Rabbit, flustered and breathless, arrives, his words painting a scene of chaos and defiance as he explains. Another lion claimed to be the king of the jungle and stopped me. The lion's roar echoes through the jungle, a declaration of war against the pretender challenging his reign. In the heart of the jungle, the enraged lion relentlessly pursues Rabbit, their desperate flight cutting through the dense foliage. Cornered at the edge of a deep, dark well, Rabbit's cunning plan hangs in the balance. In a moment of desperate deception, Rabbit cries out, "The other lion lives inside." The lion, captivated by his own mirrored image in the well, mistakes it for a rival, provoked by the echo of his own roar. The lion's fury reaches its peak. Overwhelmed by uncontrollable rage, the lion plunges into the well, sealing his doom. Rabbit returns to the jungle clearing, his voice resounding with triumph. In a moment of triumph, Rabbit declares, "I have done it. The lion is no more." A wave of jubilation washes over the jungle as the animals erupt in cheers, celebrating Rabbit's intelligence and bravery.